Hi grade 11 and 12s. I'm going to make the last video that will help you complete your assignment number 1, the road trip assignment. And I want to remind you of a few things that we found out during our last video from yesterday. We remembered that I was going to rent a Nissan Qashqai, and I used the Canadian government website to figure out how much gas that car would need. So I'm going to show you those numbers now. And now let's look at the last page of the assignment where we're going to fill in the information about the gas consumption of the vehicle and how many kilometers we're driving, and we're going to calculate the total cost for gas for our rental car. Okay, so I need to fill in the last 2 boxes from the assignment. I need to fill in the name of the car that I'm renting. I'm renting a Nissan Qashqai. I need to write down how many liters the car needs to go 100 kilometers, and my car needs 8.2 liters to go 100 kilometers. And then I need to figure out how many kilometers I'm driving in total. So my trip to Las Vegas is 4,020 kilometers there. And then I need to drive 4,020 kilometers home. And I'm going to imagine that around Las Vegas, I'm going to drive 500 kilometers as I'm doing my day trips. So I'm going to add those numbers together. And altogether, that means that I will drive 8,540 kilometers. I want to show you now how I did the math in the text box, the math that helped me figure out how many liters of gas I needed for my trip. So I know that I need 8.2 liters to go 100 kilometers. That's what the Canadian government website told me. So now what I'm going to do is I realize that I'm going to drive about 8,540 kilometers in total during my trip to Las Vegas, around Las Vegas, and back home. So I want to figure out how many liters of gas that's going to be. So I'm going to do the math that we've done many times when we were in class together. We're going to multiply, and then we're going to divide. I'm going to do 8.2 times 8,540 divided by 100. And I'm going to use my calculator to find the answer. Okay, so 8.2 times 8,540 divided by 100 gives me, I'm going to need about 700 liters of gas for my entire trip. And I think what I said was, let's imagine gas prices were about $1.13 per liter. So if gas prices are $1.13 for 1 liter, then if I need 700 liters, how much will the price be? Well, all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 700 times $1.13. So let's do that on my calculator. 700 times $1.13 means that just in gas, I'm going to spend $791 to fill my Nissan Qashqai for my trip to Las Vegas, around Las Vegas, and then back home.